left of your sheet fabric of some distance in from the left edge. Begin with an organ point 0. Draw a horizontal line between 0 point and mark the point. Locate a half of shoulder. Measurement 8.5 inch. This and a half shoulder line. Measure downway between center back neck length. Locate at 28 inch. This and a body length. Drawing horizontal line. This and a bottom with baseline. Measure a quarter of bottom hem. Hem measurement 9 3/4 1.5 inch easy class. Mark a point 3 inch. Locate and a half back neck width. Draw a vertical line between shoulder in point and armhole baseline. A quarter of bust measurement 9 inch. Draw a horizontal line between arm baseline. Locate at a quarter of the bust measurement 9 inch plus easy 1.5 inch. Drawing a vertical line between arm baseline and bottom baseline. This and a side seam line. Measure downway between arm base point. Locate 8 inch. This and a waist base point. Drawing a horizontal line. This and a waist baseline. 1.5 inch. Mark a point. This and a shoulder slope baseline. Drawing a triangle line and a shoulder. Mark a point between shoulder and arm baseline and a across back base point. Draw a horizontal line. This and a across back baseline. Measure and locate at 8 inch. This and a half across back width. Drawing a curved line between shoulder in point and cross back width. Drawing another curved line between back cross point and armhole base line. This and a back armhole line. Measure and locate a quarter of the waist measurement. This and a waist 1.5 inch easy and 1.5 inch waist dart seam allowance. Mark a point 3 inch up at side seam and a bottom cap height. Mark a point between bottom baseline 5 inch. This and a shape line point. Draw a curved line between bottom cap and bottom baseline. This and a bottom line. This and a sharp bottom hem line. Draw a curved line between arm base and waist baseline. Redrawing a curved line between waist and sharp bottom line. This and a short side seam line. This and a short side seam line. Drawing short green line. Mark a point middle of waist 10.5 5/4 inch. Waist dart 10 inch length, 5 inch each side of waist, upward 5 inch, downward 5 inch, and a waist dart length 10 inch. 3/4 inch dart width, dart seam allowance, each side 3/4, two side 1.5 inch. Drawing dart seam line. Drawing waist dart seam allowance line. This dart for back and front. Waist dart tilt work, sharp back and front on cellophane. Now we are making front neck tip. Full bust 36 divided by 12. Got 3 inch. This and a front neck tip. 1.25 inch. Mark a triangle for neck, front neck round shape. Drawing a curved line between neck point and center front neck line and a front neck round line. Measure and make a point. Locate at 7 3/4. This and a